Hi, I am Anne from Max Reviews, and today I'm reviewing an amazing audio recorder, the Zoom H4n Pro Handy Recorder. If you need a device that offers superior sound quality, flexibility, and professional recording capabilities, this is the one for you. This recorder features built-in XY stereo microphones that can handle up to 140 dB SPL, meaning it can capture even the loudest sound sources without distortion, perfect for concerts, podcasting, filmmaking, or field interviews. Now let's take a look at where the batteries and SD card go. On the back, there is a compartment that holds two AA batteries, which are included in the package. Besides recording, the H4n Pro can also be used as a USB audio interface with four inputs and two outputs, making it an excellent tool for studio recording. In short, the Zoom H4n Pro Handy Recorder is a fantastic device that combines professional sound quality, portability, and versatility. Whether you're recording music, films, or podcasts, you can't go wrong with this recorder. Thanks for watching.